Good morning, everyone. I am Manju Singh, and today I have again come with another video of class 10th geography chapter number 4. We were studying in previous videos, we had studied, and still we are studying about the major crops. In major crops, we have studied food grains, and these food grains are rice, wheat, maize, millets. This we have discussed. Now we are coming to pulses. Dal. Today we will study about pulses, and then there are other food crops also which are not grains, means which are food crops which are used in making products, which are used, even the things made from these crops are also used daily, but this is not that we cannot live without them. If sugarcane gives us sugar, we take tea or we eat sweets. That doesn't mean that without tea we cannot live. But without rice, wheat, and what is called pulses, we cannot live. So they are food grains. And these are also food crops, but they are not food grains. So now let us start. We have studied rice, wheat, maize, millets. Today we will study pulses. Pulses means dale, means more than one dal. Pulse is dal, and if pulses are there, then they are एक से ज़्यादा dal. See, India is largest producer of pulses, but at the same time, we are largest consumer of pulses also. Pulses gives us lots of protein. In vegetarian diet, pulses must be taken. It gives us lots of protein. In our country, major pulses, most important pulses produced are tur, means arhar, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. All the pulses except tur, means rahar के अलावा, अरहर के अलावा जितने भी pulses हैं, they are leguminous crops. Leguminous crops are those crops which have capacity to take nitrogen from the air and fix the nitrogen in soil. And what happens by this? The fertility of the soil increases. So these crops, the pulses except tur, are known as leguminous crops. And for this reason only, pulses are grown in rotation, means rotation of the crops. Means if one crop is harvested, then pulses are grown so that they could regain the fertility of the soil by fixing nitrogen, and then another crop will grow. Means when paddy is cut, means when paddy is harvested, धान कट जाता है, उसके बाद में दाल को उगाया जाता है ताकि फिर से सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी बरकरार हो सके. Now pulses do not need much water, means pulses do not need irrigation, so they can survive on the moisture also, even in dry season also. And you know that in the pulses, most of the pulses grow in winter season, and that time there is no rainfall and or very less rainfall, so the pulses do not need any type of irrigation. Main states where pulses are grown in India are, means almost all the states grow pulses, but main states where large amount of pulses are grown are Rajasthan, Maharashtra, MP, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and UP. So here we come to an end about the food grains. Now we will study the food crops which are not grains. The first crop is sugarcane. See, sugarcane is tropical as well as subtropical. Means it can grow in tropical area also as well as it can grow in subtropical area also. In our country, both are there. Means the places which are above the Tropic of Cancer, they are in subtropical area, and the places which are below the Tropic of Cancer, they are in tropical region. That means sugarcane needs large amount of water, rainfall, as well as high temperature. So sugarcane needs hot and humid climate. It needs hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and rainfall between 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Another thing is that sugarcane farming needs a large number of manual labor, means कि हाथ से काम करने वाले लेबर बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे चाहिए. जब हाथ से काम करने वाले बहुत ज़्यादा लेबर चाहिए, दैट मीन्स कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट कर रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को काम दे रहा है. तो फ्रॉम सोइंग टू हार्वेस्टिंग मीन्स इसको ग्रो करने के लिए पूरा आई टेक्स almost 1 year to grow. So from the beginning till the end, sugarcane needs a large number of manual laborers. Now see, India is the second largest producer of sugarcane. Then who is the largest producer of sugarcane? Brazil. Means India comes after Brazil in growing sugarcane. We get sugar, gur, molasses, khandsari, etc. from sugarcane. And the regions, the states which are growing large number of sugarcane are UP, Bihar, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Punjab and Haryana. In many years before, when we were under the British rule, that time UP and Bihar had large number of industries, as well as these two states were the largest producer of sugarcane. But now these places, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Haryana, they are also growing sugarcane. Now wait for my next video. There will study about oil seeds, tea, coffee, means and horticulture. Horticulture, tea, coffee, these two are the beverage crops, means we drink. We do not eat them, but we take as a drink, like tea and coffee. These two are beverage crops. They are pay padarth. Then we'll talk about oil seeds. Oil seeds means from where we get the seeds, from where we get oil, like mustard, then groundnut, coconut. And then horticulture. Horticulture means growing of plants and vegetables. So we'll discuss all this in next video. Thank you for today.